My name is Suzanne Karakides, and I'm co-owner of BoatWash Shine, along with my husband's 92-year-old uncle who loves boats. We carry a number of detailing products, but today we're going to demonstrate our signature product, which is Lustrelab Marine BoatWash Shine. Is not only an all-in-one product, it is a game changer. The acrylionic polish that makes up the formula is basically a soap molecule encapsulated with acrylic. So when you wash your boat, the acrylic embeds into the gel coat and it creates protection, it renews the surface, and it shines all while you wash the boat.